So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can remove the AI detection from your document or your content or your thesis or any of your academic work or even any other kind of work you're working on. So we'll actually discuss the top 3 working methods for removing the AI detection from your document. For example, if I scroll down into my document and you will see a bunch of content which is detected as AI. So let's convert it to the normal humanized content. So moving towards the first method, you have to open up your ChatGPT, and after that you have to tap on this sidebar here. And after that you have to click on this GPTs button right here. So from all the options that appear up, you have to scroll down, and here you have to find the humanize AI option. This is the top AI humanizer which helps you get human-like content. Using this tool, you can humanize your AI generated content with free credits available. Just click on it and tap on Start Chat button. I'm on my laptop, but it works absolutely the same on your mobile too. So after opening this tool, you have to just start pasting the content here that you want to humanize. For example, let's copy the content from this document and paste it here, and just send this prompt and it will start humanizing it. And when you will give the first prompt, it will ask you to sign in using this website. You have to simply click on it, sign in there, and it will start humanizing your content. You can give your content in chunks, or if you have less content, you can give it only in 1 or 2 prompts also. So this was the first method by using the ChatGPT AI humanizer. But if you are having issues using this tool, or you are not able to sign in, or it asks for credits, then you can simply go to normal ChatGPT chat and give it this prompt that I'm writing here. This is the method number 2 that we are gonna discuss. So you have to write here. And just send this prompt. And after that, you can start giving it the content that you want to humanize, or the content from which you want to remove the AI detection. So this was the method number 2. And now moving towards the third method, you have to open a new tab and write here paraphrasing-tool.com and hit the search button. And now when you are redirected to this website, this is the best AI paraphrasing and rewording tool that I've used so far. I've used the other tools as well, but this works the best without ruining the content or making the content irrelevant. So you can start pasting your content here. Keep in mind that this takes 250 words per 1 iteration, and simply press this paraphrase button. Don't make any changes with its settings. And this is it. When it's done paraphrasing, you can simply copy this content and paste it into your document. So that's how you can remove the plagiarism or AI detection from your thesis, research papers, or any kind of content. Now, if you want me to do this work for you in a professional way, fast, accurate, and with guaranteed results, you can reach me directly on this Instagram account. Just send me a message here and we'll discuss your project. Please note that this is going to be a paid service, so only serious inquiries. Let me know in the comments that which method worked for you the best, and I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.